my little friends, welcome back to another cooking video with Miss Jailene. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make grilled cheese sandwiches. The ingredients that you're going to need is the type of bread that you want to use. It can be any kind. The type of cheese you want to use. I like to use shredded cheese, the Mexican kind, but you can use any type of cheese that you like. You're going to need your butter. And for your utensils, you're going to need spatula, a butter knife, your pan, obviously your plate to put your grilled cheese on when you're done. You're also going to need a parent's help or an older sister or brother because you're going to be using the stove, so we want to be careful. So let's get started. So for your first step, you're going to want to grab your butter and you're going to want to put spread butter on this side and on this side. So let's do that. So this is what it should look like. You should have already spread some butter on your bread, and this is the tricky part. Normally I would already have my pan heating up and I would just place this one down and put the cheese on top and then place this on top of it, but I'm gonna make it a little easier because some of us are gonna need help using the stove. So I'm just gonna flip over this part right here, and I'm going to now put my cheese right on here. So this is what it should look like. I like to have a lot of cheese on my sandwich, so I place that. But remember, you can choose any cheese you have or want. You don't have to use this specific kind. This is just my favorite. And now we're just gonna put this right on top. And now we're gonna go ahead to our stove and we're going to turn it on. And we're gonna put it about high, medium heat, medium high. And we're gonna let our pan warm up for about a minute, and then we're gonna go right ahead with some of the butter and put that on our pan. So next video. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna place some butter on my pan for it to melt. Just a little bit. I like my sandwich really buttery and crispy. You don't have to do this step. If you have a non-stick pan, you can just go right ahead and grab your sandwich and put it right on the pan. This is just an extra step. I just like my grilled cheese sandwich to be really buttery. That is just my preference. You guys can try it this way. But yeah, any way you'd like. Now that my butter is melted, I'm going to grab my sandwich. And this is where you're going to need an adult's help because you are using the stove. I'm going to place my sandwich right on there. And we're just going to wait and let that get toasty. I'm actually going to drop my heat to low, and I'm going to just let that cook. While my sandwich is cooking, I did want to mention that sometimes people don't like to use butter on the grilled cheese sandwich, so you can actually use mayonnaise. It may sound a little disgusting, but it's actually really good. My preference is butter, and I'm just showing you guys how to make it with butter, but you can also make it with mayonnaise. So instead of putting butter spread, you would put mayonnaise and then follow the same steps, cheese. And the way we were cooking it, obviously you wouldn't put mayonnaise on your pan to cook it. You would just place your sandwich on there and let it get all nice and melted and crispy. But that's also another choice if you don't like to use butter or don't eat butter as well. So I actually just went ahead and I flipped my sandwich over because I like to just flip it a lot of times to get it all nice and crispy. Make sure that all that cheese is getting melted. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this a couple more times and then I will show you my finished product. So I have officially transferred my grilled cheese to my plate. I'm gonna cut it and show you guys the final. Okay, this is what my grilled cheese looks like, and all that yummy melted cheese and all this crunchiness. Looks so good. I hope you guys enjoyed making this grilled cheese with me. It looks so yummy. I'm gonna take a bite. So good. I love grilled cheese. Thanks again for joining me, guys. Till our next video. Bye.